Hi, hello. How is everybody doing? Hello, friends. For those of you who are new here, thank you for being part of my friend on this channel. I do a lot about cash staffing, savings challenges. I talk about my student loan, which is the last debt for us. We are a family of 8, so everything that we do here is big. So thanks for being part of my friends. And for my OG, you guys know I love you guys so much. For today's video, we're going to cast off my 100 envelope savings challenge for the family. We are working towards 20,000 by the end of November. Hopefully, we can do this. There's no way for me to quit on this challenge. So we're going to cast off my envelope and my mom's envelope. So thanks for watching and keep watching. My name is Josy, if you are new here. So for today, I have a big announcement to make. We hit about 4,800 subscribers. So I just want to say thank you to everybody. Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm very grateful for you being here. And today our motivational quote tells us that gratitude shapes everything. So I'm so grateful. So thank you. So for today we're going to cast off my 100 envelope savings challenge, which is we are doubling up, and my mom's son, which you guys are going to see how I'm doing it. Different ways of doing 100 envelope savings challenge. So if you have some in your closet, you are keeping some at home, grab it and get along with me. Okay, so let's count the money. Let me put some on my hand. Then we'll go ahead and cast off the envelopes, the 100 envelope savings challenge. I hope everybody is doing very well. I have to ask that. You guys know. Yeah, I'm doing very well. I'm so excited for having new subscribers. Thank you so much. It has been a journey, and the story I will tell you guys later. So let's count the money and we will go ahead and do the challenge. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have 18. That's 180. Always, I forgot my calculator. Let me grab it. This is my calculator. So 180 plus. And I hope you guys saw my yesterday video. I got my first international order from France. I am so grateful. So grateful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 90. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to put in $280 into this the two challenges. Let me put it here, and I'm also going to show you guys something that I learned about these envelopes. I'm going to show you. We keep on learning a lot of stuff. So let me start with my mom, since I grabbed that one first. Let's see. I hope everybody can see. Okay, so for my mom, I put in $25 in each envelope. So each slot get $25. That's another way I'm doing it. At the end, when I'm done, I'm going to have $2,500 for her. So that's how I'm doing it. And you guys know that when I'm putting it in, so 25, I'll fold it like this, and I'll try to put it in the wallet. There's another way I learned from IG that I saw one of the they will fold it like 3 fold. Instead of 2, they will do 3, flat it, and they will put it in, and it makes it so nice and neat. So I'll change the other ones that I've done, or I'll leave it that like that, whichever way. But look at that, so cool. So when I saw that she was doing it, I was like, oh, that's how I'm gonna do mine. Because I used to do it like, I think I used to do it 4 times, and somebody was telling me that no, that's too many folds, so I should fold it twice. And that's why I started doing this. But at times it's kind of like a struggle a little bit. So now we have a new way. You fold it 3 times, then you kind of straighten it a little bit, then you put it in. So that makes it way easy and faster. And it's the A5 binder. This challenge is A5 binder, A5 binder. So it can contain as much as it can. It still have a lot of space, and as you can see, very easy. Yeah. So no more struggling when I'm putting in the money. You can do it this way. We are learning each day. So this one is also getting $5, $25. My bad, no $5. I don't know whether I should go ahead and change all this to this form, or I should just leave it. I think I'm going to leave it. It's okay. It's already in. And the last one get 25. So let me know what you guys think about this way. Very easy. Yeah. And that's all for my mom. So we done for my mom. So far we done up to 24. And this is how it look like. It's not beautiful? Beautiful. Let me put in this. Yeah, it's my weekend to work, and I don't like working weekends. I wish I'm off every weekend so that I can go to church every weekend at least. So this is how it look like. Beautiful. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do mine. This is my simple plans. And I think, let me see, I think I changed one of mine. Yeah, this one, I was trying to see how it will look like, so I did change it to that. So let me do that one. So for mine and my husband's son, we are doubling the number. So like 21, I'm going to put in 42. $42. So 40, then $2. So we are doubling the number because we want to get to like 10,000. So that's why we are. So if you can do that, that's fine. If you cannot, the low income one is there that you can do. And the short videos that I was doing from all the low income challenge, I put it together and I'm going to post it under a playlist called 100 envelope. So if you want to watch that one, it's about 60 minutes, but you can watch it little by little as you go through to know the amount instead of watching individual videos. That's fine. So I'm still going to post it one of these days. I don't know when. So you can go watch that and follow along and do the easy 100 envelope savings challenge. And now we are also doing another low savings challenge, which that one I put it in under a playlist as well called low income. So in case anybody is interested, go ahead and check it out as well. After that, we will go back to the 100 envelope savings. I have another way that we can do it, which is also a very low income. And I'm also going to announce the giveaways on my community post, probably on Sunday or Monday. So whichever way you guys are going to see those who want the challenges. Super grateful for the live. It was so fun, and I can't wait to do it again. So this is 22, so times 2 is 44. So I'm going to put 44. Then this is 23, so that will be 46. So I'm gonna put in 46. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46. This is so easy and cool. At times when I learn something new, I'm so excited to share. The last one is 24, and 24 will give us 48. So let's count it to make sure. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. So that's for the last lot. So every week what I do is that I have a challenge for the kids, for my husband, for myself, and my mom. So every week we take 2 binders, then we cast out them. So next week is going to be for my husband and the kiddos. So that's how we are doing it until we get it done. I normally prefer to finish my challenge before December. It gives me so much relief, because in December it's crazy. It's Christmas. I have 5 kids. It's just so crazy in December, even before Thanksgiving, because from Thanksgiving, Christmas, around that time is crazy for me. I don't have enough money to save and stuff. So I normally always want to finish my challenge before Thanksgiving, at least before Thanksgiving. Then I know I'm done with all my challenges for the year. So that's what we are working as fast we can towards all the challenges. Super excited. So this is mine. Let me go ahead and do my recordings here. And for those of you who have been asking, I have the challenge in my shop. So in case somebody is interested, you can click in my shop and go ahead and purchase it. Thank you for everybody for ordering from my shop. I really appreciate all the little things you guys are doing for me over here. Okay, so we are on track, and when you buy the challenge, it comes with an empty one. So in case you want to do it in a different way, you can still go ahead and do that. So that's that one. And this is how mine look like. And I'm also going to make one more announcement, then we are ready to sign off. So let me show you the low income challenge that we are doing. Okay, so this is the low income challenge that we are doing right now. I post videos on Mondays and Wednesdays for this challenge. And for this challenge, it's very easy for those of you who are new here. So the first one with the smile, and I pick each letter to be $5. So as you can see, I saved $25 in the envelope. So for Monday video coming up, we're going to do Love Yourself first, and I'm going to pick $1 for each letter. Then we will count the letters and put the amount in here. So you can follow along, very easy, reasonable. At the end, we're going to count the money, and that will be a money that you can use towards anything you want to use towards to. Instead of borrowing money, instead of not having emergency, you can do this little challenge to get your emergency down, to go for that trip. We are planning a family trip, so I'm putting all this challenge in the traveling fund, which I can't wait to show you my envelopes. I'm working on it so bad. So make sure you join and let's do this. Let's drop the money into savings. And you don't have to have the binder to go along with me. If you want it, it's in my shop. If you don't want to purchase it, that's fine as well. You can go along and save the same amount with me. So thanks for watching me today. For my new subscribers, I want to welcome you again. God bless you. And for my returning subscribers, you guys know I love you guys so much. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be Monday. On Sundays, we don't post videos. It's time for God. So go and be grateful. Bye. And remember, gratitude shapes everything.